Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Honda Odyssey. It has 66,541 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 2.3 liter 4-cylinder with an automatic transmission. This vehicle does come with 4 doors and also a rear hatch. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the dash of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. All right, this vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles, so the number you're seeing down here, 107,088, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 66,541. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. Thank you everyone for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of you guys. It does mean the world to us. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day.